Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm about to show you how to export a full video to YouTube. So, a lot of my friends, they don't really know that you can export videos straight from Twitch to your actual YouTube channel. Now, let me show you. So the easiest way is if when you go to Twitch, you go to the top right here, and then you're going to hit Creator Dashboard. And then once you hit Creator Dashboard, you're going to want to go to Content. And once you go to content, you want to go to video production or video producer, whatever. And then you go over here, right? And then you hit the three dots here. Now, you can even do this on a highlighted video. I definitely was able to confirm that. So even if you do have the full VOD highlighted, this is just for the content creators that after they're done their stream, you can hit the three dots and you can hit export, right? So you hit export there. So from here, you can change the title. So as you can see, my previous videos, I had Blue Dragon part 14, 15. So let's say this would be Blue Dragon, this will be part 15, right? So then you can put the description here. That's basically, or you can leave it there if you have your YouTube settings already set to have a predefined description already. And then the tags you can probably leave blank too. But if you wanted to, you could put like, Twitch, Blue Dragon, things like that there. You can kind of experiment with that. That's pretty experimental. And then also you can split the video in 15 segments. So if you're not verified on YouTube or you're not a partner, I think you're only able to do 15-minute videos, not past that. So make sure that your email is verified. If not, it's going to hit you back with an error, but it's pretty easy to get the full verification. So once you do that, just hit start export, and then the video is going to show up onto your Twitch channel. So I'm going to show you here what I have. So on here, you go to the Twitch channel here. I go here, go off. So after that, it's going to show here onto your YouTube. So you're able to actually get it moved from Twitch and export it to YouTube. So you don't have to download it. It just automatically exports straight to the YouTube channel. Now, if you have any more questions about that, you can definitely let me know. But other than that, you should be able to export from Twitch to YouTube. All right, let's get it. Let's go.